you got to figure out it's a problem. If the inspection fails, it's a problem. If they're not sellable, you've lost your money. Tell us about QC at Tanos. Do you recommend that he bring in a third-party QC company to check all the goods before he makes the final payment?
My recommendations for that is if they have someone or they have the organizations that can do the QC and QA, they should have them. Yeah. So because like anyway, we send into a foreign country and we don't want like once they receive the product, they have problem. That would be a big things to, like resolve at that point of time.
The way quality control works is there's what's called the AQL standard, acceptable quality limit. And it's all based on statistics. You input the total number of garments to check, and then there's these charts you look up, and it will give you the number of samples you need, your sample size. So let's say you got 5,000 units, it'll tell you have to check 375. So then your QC people will come in, they'll check 375. They're looking for critical, major, and minor defects. And according to AQL, there's an acceptable limit of those three measurements. There's more than AQL allows, then the inspection fails, at which point you have to negotiate with the factory as to what to do.
Okay.
Do a full 100% inspection, but you don't want to carry that cost. So you would then ask them to do it, or something. You got to figure out this problem. If the inspection fails, it's a problem.
Yeah.
It's too risky not to do a third-party QC inspection, especially if you're shipping overseas. Because once the final payment's made and the goods are released and they're shipped, if they're not sellable, you've lost your money.
Okay.
So you want to do the third-party QC inspection, and someone from your organization should be there to check the checker. Because the unfortunate truth is that if there are serious problems, the factories will pay off the QC people to turn.
Yes.
Like technically they're supposed to go in and randomly pick boxes from like a stack of like 100 boxes.
Yes.
But factories will do.
Let's say choose these.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So if it's a small order in the beginning, maybe you just gamble. You take a chance based on the relationship, based on the photos they send you, based on the samples they send you. You might go ahead and just do a Hail Mary and pray, let everything work out fine. But as soon as the quantity starts getting up higher, you're going 600,000, 2,000 units.
Big money's on the line.
It's too risky to take chances. And it's not that we don't trust the factories, it's just being prudent,